Today, I'm going to be harvesting some wild leeks. This is what they look like over there. And this is their root system down into there, the stalk of it, and then the leaves. I have harvested the bulbs. You don't need to. I'm just going to cut them right here. And I'm in an area of the yard that the dogs don't usually go in, so they usually don't come up on this part of the hill, so there's no pee or poop over here. They go in the fenced-in area of the yard, and also we throw fetch in another section of the yard. So this yard is where I usually harvest the leeks, or down further into the yard, way at the end where the dogs don't go as well. Here's another patch of these leeks. These guys are a little bit smaller. I like my leeks to have a little bit more body to them, so I get the little bit older guys. I'll trim some and off, and then I'll take them upstairs and I'll clean them. I don't have any immediate use for them, so I'm gonna just cut them up and freeze them in some ice cube trays and use them later. So I got a bunch of leeks. I'm showing you in our spare room because the kitchen has horrible lighting, and show you what these guys look like at the bottom. You can see where I cut them at the bottom. I am going to have to go ahead and wash these guys. I haven't washed them yet, and get rid of all these dead pieces. Any of the pieces that are not usable or salvageable, they will be going back into our compost, so literally no waste here. Chives have had their second rinse. They had the initial gentle rinse where I went ahead and just gently rinsed them as stated, then snipped off any pieces that weren't appealing to me, dead pieces, wilty. I'm kind of picky, so I just went ahead and chopped those off. Went ahead and did a more thorough rinse after that. You can even spray vinegar and water mix on it. There's lots of sources on the internet for that, and that'll help just clean those a little bit better. And so now I have my ice cube tray that's all clean. Got my scissors, and I'm going to cut these up and fill these in some ice cubes and freeze it. Just filling it up enough to kind of make them float a little bit. Get some good coverage on them. Not going crazy, it's okay if it sticks out a little bit. They're just meant to kind of keep these guys fresh. Ice cube tray is filled with chives and water, and just water in the rest. I'm going to pop this in the freezer and let it all freeze.